Hey, friend, if you're here, you're a special educator or a parent who wants to learn how to create smoother transitions for your young autistic student or child. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes so I can stay true to my word. Here we go. And honor your time. I'm going to walk you through how to make and use an all done bucket. It's a visual support that we like to call a miracle tool. I learned about it from Terry, who is a special education teacher at the early childhood level, who I teamed with for 10 years before she retired. Together, our entire team used the All Done bucket over this decade, and it truly does help create smoother transitions. All right, so let's go. What is an all done bucket? Well, it's a clear visual way to help indicate that it's time to be finished with one thing, activity, or object, and go to another. So it can help the child let go of the item. Why use an all done bucket? Well, it's because an all done bucket is predictable. It creates a system that becomes part of their routine. And those two things together, creating a predictable routine, is where the magic happens. That's where kids really start to get it. And thus, it reduces stress and anxiety. And all of these three things combined together equal smoother transitions. So, making an all done bucket, you need a little container. It could be a plastic shoebox or whatever small container you have around the house or at school. Print the all done visual, which you'll get at the end of this little training, and Velcro it on. Okay, so when you're implementing it, when you're using it, it's really helpful when kids are maybe playing with an activity or items and they're things that need to be put away. This doesn't include things like a safe item or a favorite object, transition object that kids like to hold all day long. But the way that the all done bucket works is you set a kitchen timer, and I like to set it for 2 minutes, and you say, okay, 2 minutes, then all done, and you bring the all done bucket out. And then you check back in with them, give reminders. So at the 1 minute mark, I'm going to say 1 more minute, then all done. And then when the timer beeps, we help them start to place the objects into the all done bucket. And it might be difficult at first, but if we do this consistently and we start by modeling it, it will become part of their routine. And once that happens, that's when the magic starts. It becomes automatic.
One more
Here it
minute,
is in action.
then check schedule. Mm-hmm.
I'm not pushing. I'm actually not.
All done. All
That's
done.
broken half.
Time to clean up.
Blue.
Here.
Okay, all done bucket tips. Keep a couple of them around the classroom or home so you always have one on hand. We want them accessible so that you can use them at a moment's notice. Be prepared. Use a timer to count down before they're done with the activity that they're doing. That makes it part of the routine. It's another level of that routine. And you can also use it at the end of group time to collect things like fidget toys. And I found that really, really successful in the classroom. Okay, don't take it just from me. Here's what some other people are saying, educators and parents who have implemented the all done bucket. Patty said that this works miracles. Thank you, Tara. And Lisa said the all done basket is awesome. I enjoyed using these visuals so much. Meg said, this all done bucket is like magic. I don't even know how it works. A few of my kids will grab a few transition objects to take them to the gym. And when I tell them only one, they'll put the others back in the bucket with no whining or resistance. Pure magic. And Rachel said she even puts the all done bucket into the IEP accommodations now because it's so effective. And Jill said she did a short professional development with her para team, and it was just about the all done bucket. I had a 1 sheet info sheet that she used, and they were all using it that day, and it worked. And they were convinced, even in day one, that this was a nice approach for them. Okay, my timer is about to go off. I'm going to stop it now so you don't have to listen to it. But we are at our 5 minutes, and I just want to tell you where to get it. You can go to autismlittlelearners.com/visuals, and you can download this entire set at no cost. And you can see the all done bucket visuals in there. Okay, that is it. I'd love to hear from you when you get your all done bucket implemented. Send me a picture of your all done bucket when it's ready to go. And remember that there is good in every day.